Welcome to NextBricks. At this tutorial, we will see how to set up Next Cursor Element, its possibilities, states, and multiple cursors. At this section, you can define how the cursor will look like by default, without custom states being active. CSS Cursor will determine how the user's pointer will look like at the page. Please note that cursor sizes are set using Scale property. Active size will define cursor's size when the user does a click at the page. It is very important to understand that if we don't want a circle as a cursor, then it has to be changed using border radius at the default border control. Border state is to style the whole border style except radius. We can't have a circle and then change to a square. It has to be either a circle or a square initially. However, we can have multiple cursors as we will see later at this video, combining squares and circles. States work with linking classes. If we want to make an element magnetic when cursor enters it, then we would just need to set a class at that element and introduce the class name at magnetic state. And that's it. Now we have made our element magnetic. And this is how all states will work, linking a class and customizing each of the available items' values. Although most states are intuitive, there are some appointments we need to understand regarding some of them. Unlike the rest of states, stick state needs two classes: the element the cursor will see as the sticky area, and the element the cursor will stick to when it enters that sticky area. Backdrop state will apply a backdrop blur at the cursor, and cursor will need to be non-opaque so that the backdrop applies correctly. We can make this by modifying the RGB alpha channel at color state. Media state won't modify cursor. It will be replaced by the media selected. Here we can set either images or videos. If we want more than one next cursor at a page, then you will just need to set a new next cursor element. Each of the cursors created will have its own settings and states, and the same element target can be shared by all of the cursors at a page at any moment. It is so powerful, allowing you to create unlimited trails. Please note that speed, color, size, and z-index should be customized with different values to achieve an appropriate cursor trail.